In the video today, I'm going to be showing you a quick solution for how you can store your camper van table onto the back door of your camper van. It's coming up. So this is what I've got. It's essentially just like a little plastic kit that is going to be used to mount onto the rear door of the van, and then the table is just going to slide in and sit on top of these mounts here, and then we've got these little sliding brackets then to secure the table in place, make sure it doesn't rattle around as we're touring the country. So this came, I think it's from Amazon or eBay. I'll put a link to where I got this from in the comments as well, or in the description of the video, so you can take a look. But the plan, pretty simple. Got our rear door. These are going to be sort of mounted on the rear door itself, and then the table is just literally going to sit inside that and store away nice and neat. So just a case of getting these screwed directly into the van, get it all leveled up and straight, and then see if we can get the table to fit in. Let's go. Okay, so there we have it. A really quick and simple solution. So that's gone in nicely. Got a little foldable brackets there, just to make sure that everything is gonna stay in place. The only one addition I am gonna make is I've kind of got this sticky back sort of foam tape. So I'm just gonna stick a little bit of this just on the inside of the where the clips go onto the table, just so we've got no rattles or anything like that. Might put a little bit down in the holders at the bottom as well, but just an extra measure so we get no unwanted rattles in the van. So that's it. Really quick video today. Hopefully that's been useful and a good solution for you to store your table. Take care guys, see you soon, bye.